what are currency pairs? What does the term bid and ask prices mean? To begin with, currency of a given country is represented by using 3 letters. The first 2 represent the country, and then the third letter represents the name of the currency. For example, if I'm writing for Uganda, I'll simply come and I write UG. The first 2 letters I've said represent the country, and then the third letter represents the name of the currency for that country. So for Uganda, I'll simply put there X, UGX, Ugandan shillings. If I want to present, for example, the dollar is for USA. So I'll simply put United States, US, and then the name of the currency for United States is the dollar. That's what I'll be putting there. If I'm looking at maybe, for example, Australia, I'll simply put AU, that is Australia, and it uses dollars as its currency. I simply put there the D. If I look at Britain, I'll simply put there Great Britain, and since it is using the pound as its currency, I'll simply put there the pound, like that. So basically, these are what we call the currencies, and this is how we represent them. Now, when you come up with a pair, it means that we're going to combine 2 of these. And in this case, I'll simply write, for example, GBP, Great Britain Pound, versus the US dollar. That is how I can represent that pair. That is a currency pair. Sometimes you put it there, this /. Sometimes we don't put it there, just like the way you're seeing all these ones here. This is Euro, US dollar, Great Britain Pound, US dollar, and so on. So sometimes they put it there, a /. Sometimes we don't, we simply ignore it. I can just write that, or GBP USD, just like that. So I can have that one as a currency pair. All of these ones here mean the same thing. They all mean the same thing. Now, looking at only this, if you've been given that pair like that, GU, sometimes we call it GU, Great Britain Pound, and then the US dollar. Sometimes we write it like that. Now, if I've been given a pair like that, which one is the best? Which one is the quote? The best currency, the quote currency. Always the first one is the best currency. And then that is the quote currency. So in this case, when we say that we're going to go long, we're going to buy a pair. Basically, it means that we're going to buy the best and we're going to sell the quote. So whenever someone says that he's going long or he's buying a pair, basically what that person means is that he's going to be buying the best currency. In this case, we'll be buying the pound. So when you say that you're going to buy and sell, at what value of the currency are you going to be buying? Now, the broker will be giving you values, will be giving you the prices at which to buy and to sell. So on the side of the broker, when the broker is selling to you, he will be giving you what you call the ask price. The broker will be giving you the ask price. This is what called the ask price here. So when the person is going, when the broker is asking this price, it means that he will be buying this pair at this price here. If the broker, if you're going to sell, it means that the broker is going to be buying from you. Just like when you go to the market and say that I'm going to buy maybe a mango, you're going to give in the money, you'll be giving out the money, and then they'll be giving you the mango. At the same time, the person who's selling to you will be giving you the mango, and you will be receiving the money. So it's basically just an exchange. So in this market here, we talk about the bid price, the ask price. Whether it is forex, whether it is bond, whether it is stocks, it is the same language. So the broker will be asking you to buy, maybe for example, the euro at this ask price here. This is the price that will be buying at. That is what the broker will be selling at to you. I hope that doesn't confuse you. And if you're going to sell, you'll be selling at this price here, meaning that the broker will be buying this pair from you at this price. Let's go to the charts and see what I'm talking about. So I want us to pay attention to the bid and ask prices. Let me increase on the size here. Okay. So this is the GBP USD, the pound against the dollar, and this is the bid price, this is the ask price. So if the broker, if you want to buy this pair, meaning that you want to buy the pound, it means that the broker is going to give you the ask price. The ask price is this one here. Look at the ask price and the buying price at this end here. Here, I want you to look at this buy. This is what you'll be buying at. And this is what the broker is asking for. So look at those two values. So the broker is giving you at the ask price, meaning that you're going to be buying at that price there. So that's what we call the ask price from the broker's side. The ask price from the broker's side is what you buy at, you, the trader. And then the bid price is what the broker would be buying from you. In other words, the amount that will be selling at. Look at the bid, look at the ask. You can pause the video and see. So that's the difference between the bid and ask prices. Basically, we simply buy when you buy the best currency and then you sell the quote currency. And that is what you can say about the ask and the bid prices. Now, how do we add more pairs here? You simply come and click here, and then you type in the pair that you're looking for. GBP, Australian dollar. I can just take that. So the pair has come. You can see it there. I want to add there another one. GBP, JPY. It has come. It is there. Alternatively, if you don't do that, then you can simply come onto this symbol here. Simply click on that. And then you go to forex. Forex is there. And then I simply come and tap on N. I simply tap on this, for example, New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. And then I move down and I say show symbol. If you show the symbol, it will automatically come and appear there. So that's what you do on MT5 or MT4. On TradingView, what do we do? So on TradingView, what I do, I simply come and I look for this microscope here. I can zoom in and you see it. I simply come and tap on this here, and then I type in the currency pair that I want. I can decide to put the USD against the JPY. It will bring me different brokers here. All these ones here are brokers. I'm on forex. So if I tap on FXCM, that's what will come. So this is the chart for USD. I just simply move my mouse up to down here. I simply see the plus. I zoom out if you want. Alternatively, you can simply go on the time here, and then you simply left click and then move like that. It will be either magnified or diminished. If I put here, I'll be making it taller like that. And I do my analysis on this pair here. After doing my analysis, then I go back to my MT4, MT5, and then I take my position and I take my trades and so on. Thank you for listening. See you again.